Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. And today I'm here with this one of my best ever Kroger couponing hauls. Today I was shopping with those 123 Rewards Visa checks. I've done numerous videos about it, so I'm not really going to go into it too much. If you're a newbie and you haven't heard me talk about this credit card, you've got to go listen to this video. Click the little line in the top right corner, it will take you there. That credit card is outstanding. You get paid to shop with that card because I got all these groceries for $13.81 because of that credit card today. So yeah, you've got to go check that out. It's crazy. So yeah, and if you haven't already, by the time you're seeing this, I will have had other Kroger videos posted for this week. So be sure to click that little eye in the top right corner if you haven't seen my videos from Wednesday. I have videos up from then. So yeah, I'm going to go left to right and just dive right in. So first up, I had tons of coupons. It was a great day. I had a lot of coupons. So a lot of these are best customer ones. I know many of you don't understand why I get them and not you. It really depends on how much you shop at Kroger. The more you shop there, the more you'll see them in your Kroger digital accounts. That's all I know to do. There's not any special way I get them. So I had the silk milk. This is on the Mega for $1.99. Just needed it. The Simple Truth chili beans. We were out of chili beans and we just had to have them. These were 99 cents and there was a 30-cent digital. That came off 5 times. It's a 5 times coupon. Those were 69 cents. And then the kidney beans were just 59 cents. We needed those. The Loris beef, $5.99. This one, $5.99, and I had a $1.70 off 2 best customer coupons. That was a good deal. These were $2.29. That was a lot. Tyson chicken breast, $5.99 or $6.99. It was a good deal, but I used the check, so I didn't pay that much. Then these Tyson crispy strips, $4.99. I had a $2.50 off a 2 coupon. At the time you're seeing this, they're going to be on sale for $3.99, but we just needed them right now, so I went with it. Okay, I'm just need some ice for $4.59, and then here's all the really awesome money-making feminine products. That's why I got these today. Now, for those who don't know, I'm a man, I'm not a woman, so I don't need these products, but I always donate them to those who do need them. So, yeah, I'm not using these for myself, obviously. The Stay Frees are $1.99. I had 2 off 2 coupon. If you want the exact details, check out my Kroger video from Wednesday. So you'll pay $1.98. There's $1.50 on Ibotta for each of them. You can do that up to 5 times. So I could have got 4 of these, but I just didn't. Anyways, $1.50 back on each of them. There's a $1.25 savings star, so huge moneymaker on the Stay Free. But the Carefree, I had to get these ones. Don't qualify. So that's the only ones that you can get are these ones, because it has to be, say, original, and somewhere on this box it says original. Anyways, I scanned it, and it's the only one that worked, so you have to get this kind. I only did it because it's a moneymaker. They're $1.99. I had a $2 off 2 coupon, and there is $1 back on Ibotta and a $1.25 savings star. So really big moneymaker on the Carefree. And the Poise, this is another great one. $3.99, $3 coupons. Oh, and I forgot. The Black Bean Fiesta. These are $1.25. I had a $1 off coupon, so 25 cents. And then these dips, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it because I don't even know what the correct name is. They put them down to 49 cents at my store, and I had a 55-cent coupon. Scanned just fine, no beeps, so 6 cents in overage on that. The Lay's chips, these are $1.49. You had to buy 3 of them to get it for that price. I had a buy 2, get 1 free Peely, and there's a 95 cent on 2 Ibotta's. It made these like 67 cents each. It was a great deal for chips. The tortilla chips, we just needed them. They were $1. And Kroger orange juice was $1.49 on the mega sale. I had a 55-cent best customer coupon, so 94 cents. I wanted the light kind, but they were all out of it. So I just decided to go with it. I haven't had real orange juice in a while, so why not? The Kraft salad dressing, 99 cents. I had a buy 2, get 1 free Peely coupon I got at Respect's grocery store. So if you can find that, that's a really good deal. 67 cents each. Sorry, my camera cut off, so if it's a little weird, that's why. These Febreze, they were $1.99. I had a $3 off 2 digital, so 49 cents a piece. What else do we do? Got some clearance lettuce for $1.39. The Goldfish, 99 cents on the Mega. Just need to round it out. And then this is kind of my junk food purchase for the day. Trying to get the labels facing forward because quite a few of you commented on my stockpile tour that kind of drove you crazy that I had the Viva upside down. So get it all straight. These are $1.49. I had a $2 off 4 digital, so it made them 99 cents. And then these fiber ones were $1.99. I had a 50-cent peely for each of them. So these were all $1.49, and there's 50 cents on 2 from Saving Star. So no, it's a lot, but we all really like these, and it's a quick and easy dessert. The Bic Whiteout and the pens, they're $1. Had a $1 off coupon, so it made them free. Toothpaste, $1.99, $2 off coupon, so free. My mom just needed cough syrup. This is like $7.50, which is crazy, but you got to get what you need. The Colgate Optic White is $3.99, and we had a $2 digital and a 75-cent digital I had. One was a manufacturer, one was a store, so they both deducted. Suavitel was $1.99. I had a $1 off digital, so 99 cents. And all this is produce. I got apples, watermelon, cantaloupe, and strawberries. I had a $2 off of a $10 produce purchase digital, so that was fine. The apples were a horrible price, and my dad loves Honeycrisp. And actually, I think Honeycrisp tastes way better than any other kind of apple. And the Slim Rate was $6.79. So after the checks and the rebates, all this stuff was $13.79. Crazy, insane deal. Can't beat it. So yeah, that's all I have for now. Check out my other videos if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching.